Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by enabling what matters: location access and a stable network. Unlock your device, connect to Wi-Fi or cellular, then open settings and go straight to location. Turn location services on. This allows apps to use GPS and network data. Make sure battery saver is off because it can throttle location updates. Once done, review app permissions under the location menu so the target app is allowed either while using the app or always, depending on your goal. Now choose how to change your reported location and why. Use the built-in GPS fix for accuracy, enable mock locations for testing, or route through a VPN to appear in another region. To enable mock locations, open Developer Options and select the mocking app. This instructs the system to accept simulated coordinates. Alternatively, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow App Name, right arrow Permissions, right arrow Location to change app. Finish by verifying the change and addressing common hiccups. Force stop the app and reopen it so it requests location again, then open a mapping app to confirm coordinates or displayed city. If the app still shows the old location, clear the app cache and data or reboot the device to reset services. Make sure any VPN or mock location app remains active and permitted. If problems persist, recheck developer options and app permissions because a single denied toggle often blocks location updates entirely.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.